This is Christopher, your South Florida yacht expert. We're going to get to a type of marine propulsion system you won't see very often: surface drives. Every other type of marine propulsion system we've talked about so far, outboards, stern drives, straight shaft inboards, and pod systems, the propeller is completely under the water. A surface drive has the propeller right at the surface of the water, and that propeller is spinning. A good portion of that rotation is actually out of the water in the air. So really only about a half to 2/3 of that propeller is in the water at any given time. And that offers a couple advantages. Number one, it is a very efficient way to produce torque and speed from an internal combustion engine. Number two, because they stick straight out the back of the boat and they're at the surface of the water, you have very little drag. And in addition, because the bottom of the hull is going to be well below the level of those surface drives, because they're up at the surface level, very little risk of hitting an object and damaging those drives. So they are used in specialized applications. They go very fast, and they throw a very dramatic rooster tail. Some people love it, some people may not like it, but they can push a very large boat at very high speeds. Of course, there's a trade-off, of course. Low speed, because that propeller is not all the way in the water, and it's a very high-speed design propeller, it does not grip well at low speeds. A lot of captains will not even run surface drive boats because low speed handling can really be a challenge if you're not used to using surface drives. Now, they kind of tilt down into the water in low speed mode for docking and so on, but they're not great for low speed maneuverability and handling. So like everything, there's a trade-off. They're fast, they're efficient, they're protected from damage, they throw a beautiful rooster tail or an ugly rooster tail, depending on your opinion, and they're a lot of fun. But low speed maneuverability with surface drives is really compromised.